Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm doing alright. After 5 days of work, heavy work I would say, today is Saturday, and right in the morning, you can see there is a lot of rain. If you are new to my channel, I am Sangita and I make small vlogs like this one. Hope you enjoy it. And for those who know me already, life has been surprising in last 1.5 year. What am I doing nowadays? I am doing office to home, home to office, too much work pressure, and then there is some time for myself. It is very important that I spend some time with myself to get mental clarity. Last year, December 2023, December, I moved in this new flat, and since then, life has been very peaceful. Even though there was heartbreak, but there was a lot of friend, a lot of good companionship. So what I was doing for last 1.5 year? First of all, I planned to move out of a rented place to my permanent own place. After moving here, I had to put things on its own places, and then finding the same stability and mental peace to operate my life as I usually prefer. Slow living is my favorite way of living. There is the whole space for myself, and then there is no disruption for what I am thinking or what I am doing. When I have better mental clarity, I am good with my friends, I am good at work, I am good at learning. Also, I love surprises in my life, and life has always surprised me with different colors. How is your life? Do you feel you are doing the same thing again and again and again? Or do you also have a lot of surprises? Do you live alone like me, or do you live with your family? Are you happy if you are living with your family? It has been 10 long years that I am living alone. Mostly alone. There were some scenarios or some time I got opportunity to stay with other girls in sharing flats, and then again alone. But I'm not sad about being alone, because there is a distinct difference between being alone and feeling lonely. You can feel lonely when you are in the crowd, but you could be alone and totally fulfilled. The second one fits me. I'm mostly content, and you can see a lot of green in my balcony. I have plants to take care and then admire them whenever I get a chance, whether it is a rainy day or if it is a full sunny day. What do you usually do over the weekend? For me, this weekend I will be staying at home, most likely eating good food. I cook usually, but when I'm so lazy, I order from outside and then guilt myself whole day. And sometimes when there is a lot of office work, I miss my mom a lot. I always wish if she was here, she would cook and I don't even have to worry about anything. Do you also stay far away from home? Do you miss your mother or home cooked food? If so, then I have a small tips for you. Learn to cook like your mother. That will help a lot. I have skilled it. I hope you have enjoyed this small chat. Most likely I will see you very soon. Have a good one.